Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to make a build video for one of the new Coffee Lake processors that Intel released a few months ago, because recently they released their lower end budget motherboards as well as a lot of more budget orientated and cheaper versions of their CPUs, the Coffee Lake counterparts we've seen so far. So guys, in today's video we're going to be featuring the i3-8100, which is a 4-core processor, a true quad-core processor, and it is going to do great for games with a 3.6 GHz clock speed. And our motherboard, which is the best part of the build, is going to be the ASRock H310M DGS, which is a very cheap motherboard, which comes only at $60 and is going to do a great job, since we're not going to be overclocking or do anything fancy with it. Now for our RAM sticks, we're going very basic G.Skill Ripjuice, 8 GB, 2400 MHz. If you want, you can go for 16 GB. This depends completely on your budget. Now for hard drive and storage, I should say, we're going very basic again with a 1 TB hard drive from Western Digital. And for our graphics card, we have a Gigabyte GTX 1050, 2 GB. I really wanted to put at least a 1050 Ti in here, but the prices of those are really high still. And if you're building this, I would definitely recommend you not to buy a graphics card right away and wait around a bit, because prices will definitely drop in the following months. Now for our case, I chose the Thermaltake Versa H21 window. I chose this case mainly because it is very cheap and it's not very bad aesthetically talking, and this is completely up to you and your budget. Now for a power supply, you always want to get a power supply from a very reputable brand which has an 80+ certification at least. This one comes from Corsair. It's a 450 watt 80+ bronze certified power supply, and it is going to do a great job. And even if you want to upgrade in the future, you will have some room to do so. So guys, this build comes in a total of $497, shy over $500 budget. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to take a look at this parts list, keep in mind that there is the link for it below. Also guys, remember that prices for parts change around all the time, so you have to take into consideration that you might have to swap out some parts in order to keep yourself within the budget. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you guys all in the next one.